Welcome to PiAcademy, your trusted partner for 11+, 7+, 13+, and GCSE success. At PiAcademy, we provide a comprehensive range of resources, including exam papers, 11+ courses, live tuition, interactive video lessons, and mock exams. Our extensive library includes exam papers for pre-11+, 11+, 13+, pre-test papers, and resources for students from Year 1 to Year 6, as well as GCSE exam papers designed to build confidence and mastery. For 11+ exam preparation, PiAcademy offers specialised resources such as 11+ Maths past papers, topic-wise maths resources, English past papers, and verbal and non-verbal reasoning papers. Within the 11+ Maths past papers section, you'll find over 230 solved past papers, numerous topic-specific questions with their detailed solutions. In these free sample papers, you'll find numerous questions along with their answers clearly displayed, as well as tags related to the question, such as factors, multiples, numbers, and square numbers. Each paper includes essential details such as the exam date, duration, number of questions, and instructions, helping students approach their preparation with clarity and confidence. With our unique tagging system, you can easily navigate to specific topics, allowing for targeted and efficient learning. PiAcademy's 11+ Diamond Plan gives you instant access to all 11+ resources, including practice papers, structured courses, and mock exams, all available through an affordable yearly subscription. Our step-by-step solutions and topic-segregated questions are designed to help students improve their speed, accuracy, and overall performance. Our team of highly qualified tutors, many from top universities, is committed to helping students succeed in grammar and independent school exams. Through our realistic mock exams that mirror actual test patterns, PiAcademy has supported thousands of students on their journey to academic success. With a 95% success rate, over 20,000 students enrolled, and more than 30,000 expertly crafted questions, PiAcademy is trusted by parents and students nationwide. Backed by hundreds of 5-star reviews, it's your go-to platform for achieving outstanding results. Start your journey with PiAcademy today and gain instant access to expert resources and unlock your potential.